So names has 3 slots, and each one of these slots can contain their own individual strings. So I can write a string literal right here, S1, and I can shove it in this slot. And I can write an S2 string literal, and I can shove it in this slot. And I can write an S3 variable, that's not even close, S3 variable, and I can shove it in this slot. An array has slots in it that allow us to contain multiple values. So it's kind of like a, well, I mean, think about a post office. Post office has a bunch of slots and they all have addresses to them. So we have, you know, one box, one PO box, and another PO box, and another PO box, and they're all PO boxes. But they have different addresses on them. So this might be PO Box 5, this might be PO Box 10, and this might be PO Box 13. I don't know. It doesn't matter what their addresses are. The point is that if we have a post office, we have an array, which is funny because that's the actual English definition of the word. We could say there's an array of post office boxes in this building, and that would be completely true. Just like, have you ever heard of I don't know, an array of guns or an array of cannons or something like that, like an array, an ordered list of individual unique things that we can all refer to as a collection of items. And that's exactly what an array allows us to do. Which is why up here we have 4 variables. I'm going to delete the 4th variable just to make it consistent with my array, because my array, I was lazy and only had it contain 3 values. Okay, so in this case we have 3 distinct variables that can only contain 1 value each. Here we have 1 variable that has 3 slots in it, 3 places where we can put information into it.